Good day, ma'am and sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Jirel Orias Queron. I am 37 years old. I was born on January 28, 1987 in Mainit, Surigao del Norte. I graduated my secondary level in Mainit National High School, year 2004. I have one daughter. She is 17 years old and I am married. I have working experience in abroad as a domestic helper, a family member of four, a 5-year-old boy, and a 2 years old baby girl. My main duty there is to taking care of the 2 years old baby boy. I was the one who feed her, shower, play with her, and I teach her how to memorize her names, alphabet letters, shapes, and numbers. I do my household chores like cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, washing the dishes, cleaning the garden, and sometimes I do car washing. I have working experience in Hong Kong as a domestic helper also, year 2023 to 2024. A family member of four and a one dog, and we are two helpers in the family. My main duty there is to taking care of that 1-year-old baby boy. I was the one who feed him, shower, and I teach him how to memorize his names, numbers, letters, shapes, and colors. I do my household chores like cleaning the living room, the two balcons, the windows, the kitchen, the storage room, the two rooms, and the toilets. Aside from cleaning the house, I was the one who is in charge to feed the dog and give her give her milk also. Why I choose to work in Hong Kong? Because I want to earn money and save for my future. I am a hardworking and dedicated person during the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty and finish my contract to work with you again, as long as you needed me. Hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless you.